Easy come, easy go.
Here I am coming at you with another video. So in the last video, if you saw it, I got some new appearance mods, and so you have to check that video out. So in this one, I told you I had a big surprise, and the surprise is coming. So first we're gonna get the old Blue Edge Mach, get it all cleaned up, and then we'll move on to the surprise. Alright guys, so you're looking at a Texas block. It is a stock bore block, so I think I got lucky with it. I got heads that are the same heads that are on my car now. Don't know if I'm going to use them or not, but we're going to get this short block built so we can make more than 450 to the wheels. That's kind of what the holdup is now, because I have cast pistons and rods right now. So as far as the build goes, I want to get the upgraded oil pump, going to do the upgraded tensioners, cams if they're in the budget. I really want cams, but it really just depends on where the budget is for the build. This will probably be like a 6-month process or longer. Just buy a couple parts here and there until I get everything gathered up for it. Let's see, we're gonna do the upgraded chains because we want to rev it to 7,000, 7,500, 8,000, 8,500. Other than that, we're gonna do obviously we're gonna do forged pistons and rods, ARP mains, ARP head studs. Still have to decide whether we want to keep the blower or not. So post in the comments what you think, and it'll obviously be after Mustang week whenever we get this built. So if I tear it apart after Mustang week and I can find a buyer for the eat and swap, we might do that. It's not in the budget to just go and buy a turbo kit, buy a turbo and everything. So it all just depends on if I can sell the stuff for the right price and have enough to get this build done. But let's see, I'm probably gonna get either, if I use these heads, they're the same 4-thread heads. I really want to pick up some 9-thread heads if I could. And so I don't want to have to do time certs or anything if I don't have to. So 9-thread heads are ideal. So if I could get some ported, then that would be great as well. So we'll see. I don't really know what else you guys want to know. If you have any questions about the build, post them in the comment section below. We'll see you on the next one.